Understanding Stream in HD, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a term that's become quite common in our digital lives: Stream in HD. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or exploring new videos, you've probably come across this phrase. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together. To stream a video means to watch or listen to content over the internet without having to download it first. It's like watching live TV, but over the internet, where the video plays continuously as it's being sent to your device. HD stands for high definition. It's a quality standard that provides a clearer and more detailed picture compared to standard definition, SD. HD typically starts at a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, also known as 720p. When we say stream in HD, we're talking about watching videos online in high definition. It means you can expect a crisp, clear picture with more detail than standard or lower resolutions. Streaming in HD enhances your viewing experience. It's great for action-packed movies, sports events, or any content where you want to catch every detail. However, remember that streaming in HD requires a strong internet connection and may use more data. I hope this video has shed some light on what it means to stream in HD. Next time you see the option, you'll know exactly what to expect. Happy streaming, and see you in the next video.